I'm extremely privileged to present a really special home to market. Built in the early 1900s, this Federation-style cottage has been meticulously maintained. I'm Dan De Silva from Watt Realty, and welcome to Dunscroft. Let's check this one out. Sitting on a large 607 square metre block, this home is perfect for those growing families. The location is second to none, with a front veranda overlooking parkland and capturing wonderful bay breezes. Walking distance to the waterfront, Sandgate precinct, and plenty of public transport. The home has an extremely versatile floor plan, with 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 3-car accommodation. Space will not be an issue when you live here. You'll feel right at home with 2 verandas, one at the front and one at the back, with the birds chirping around you and surrounded by beautiful greenery. As you can see, this home boasts character, charm, and even a cubby house. So if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.